In the last video, we talked about the time of flight in seconds. You can see that we have 0.13 seconds there. This corresponds to what we've calculated, what I've calculated many times in the past. So pretty sure that this is good, okay? And now we want to calculate the initial velocity. So here's our initial velocity here. And remember that our initial velocity is just the average displacement over time. So we found our average displacement and we found our time. Cool? So let's go here. So all we have to do now is call this initial velocity in meters per second. All right, so we're pretty clear on that. That's very verbose. I could always just put in seconds just to be consistent. Time of flight, seconds here, and then initial velocity instead of meters. Instead of writing it like a sentence, you know, we'll just say meters per second. And I'll give this a little bit more room so it'll look a little prettier. So all we have to do is just divide. I can just say equals to our displacement in the x direction divided by the time of flight. This is directly connected to our axiomatic equations, what we understand there. It's directly connected to our primary properties and now our kinematic equations. So I'm going to hit return and getting around 3.043 and all of those decimal places we most likely won't be able to use. We can take the lowest significant digit, and the lowest significant digit in our calculations, it seems to be about 3 decimal places. So let's go ahead and put this in as 3 decimal places. We select general right here, and then we're going to select number, and then we're going to select our I to make sure that we're getting 3 decimal places. So number, and then the way we can check to see if we're getting 3 decimal places is if we have 2 decimal places after, not 3 decimal places, I'm wrong. If we're going to have 3 significant figures, we're going to have our decimal places there. So right now, 3 is a significant figure, 0 is a significant figure, and 4 is a significant figure. So that's good. We can stop right there. All right, this is a go. So this is really good. Let me go ahead and make this green. And let's go ahead and make sure that those borders are there. And that is pretty much it. I'm pretty sure that this is the last video that we need to cover for this series, okay? But we will use this Excel spreadsheet in other experiments. So have a great day. I hope you enjoyed.